all these toys are here to see us. Hey toys, what are we going to do today? Look at some cars with eyes, just the cars with eyes. So that's the So let's start from way over here. Asa. We're just doing the bad guys today. Now over here next to Asa is Alexander, and his second name is Hugo. Over here is a car called Tubbs. He's a pacer. Another pacer again. Oh. Oops. Oh. Gremlin. Now where is that? What's he done? He's hiding again, isn't he? You're so silly. Are you hiding so much? You always hide from me. So anyway, there's a dun somewhere in here. Where's he? Oh yeah, it's up here. Done. There. Over here. Professor Z. So here's the made triangle. It looks quite cool, but here's, I think, so he's the last bad guy for today. He just the last bad guy of all of them actually. So hope you have a nice time with your bad guys. Hopefully we'll get a new Graham and a new Asa to paint and change the names so that they look like different cars. But hopefully they'll come in our shopping or we'll just buy them on eBay. So bye kids. See you in another video with all my toys and cars with eyes. Just we've done my lemons here. Wait. Yeah, there's one more. There are actually two more left, which is him, Rod, and him. He's not bad, but anyway. They're both good, but they're still lemons. I know they are, so hope you like this vlog. Hope you like to watch videos like this. So anyway, bye kids. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye. Like all my channel. Hope you subscribe. Hope I get loads of subscribers. Anyway, bye bye. See you later. See you in another vlog. Bye.